Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Lingoda for live classes with teachers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Lingoda for live classes, first, visit the Lingoda website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details, such as your email address and a secure password. Once you have your account, log in to access your dashboard. Navigate to the courses section to view available classes. Choose your preferred language from the options presented. Select the class type that fits your learning goals, such as group classes or private lessons. Before booking your class, check the timetable for availability. Click on the class you're interested in to see more details. Review the lesson content and teacher profiles to ensure a good match for your learning style. Once you've made your choice, proceed to book the class. Confirm your booking by following the prompts on the screen. Make sure to add the class to your calendar for easy reminders. On the day of your class, log into your Lingoda account a few minutes early. Access the My Classes section to find your scheduled session. Click the Join Class button when it's time for your lesson. You may need to enable your camera and microphone for optimal interaction. During the class, engage actively with your teacher and classmates. Utilize the chat feature for additional questions or comments. After your lesson, take advantage of any practice materials provided. Finally, review your progress and plan your next class to continue learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.